Hi, welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Travis, and today I'm going to be making an Irish egg salad sandwich on Texas toast. And first, I'm going to slice my tomato. I'll slice all the skin off of it, because that's all I'm going to be using. I'm not using any of the pulp, because you don't want it to get too wet. And it'll be running all over the plate. Slice around the pulp. And that's what you should have left. Try to scrape some of this pulp out of here. Okay, from here I'm just going to do a really fine dice. Now I'll move on to the green onion. You want to cut this very thin as well. Okay, now we have to slice our egg. Doesn't really matter how you cut it because you're going to mash it up. I'm going to now add my mayonnaise and my salt and pepper. You don't need a lot. You don't want it to be like a very wet egg salad. So now we're just going to mash this together. Okay, it should look like this when it's done. And now we just have to build the sandwich. Should I have leaf lettuce right now? We're going to get some bib lettuce, and you have the option to get bib lettuce. But if you don't want to try the bib lettuce, you can always get leaf lettuce, or if you don't want a Texas toast, you can get rye bread, or any other type of bread. It's up to you. And that's what it should look like. Okay, this is the Irish egg salad sandwich. Get it Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the bistro and cafe.